Barangay Inter-Barangay Basketball Tournament boses up, time is on. Mga kabarangay, bakbakan na! Kaya magandang hapon, welcome tayo sa Baywalk. Dito tayo sa ating pong barangay bagong baga sa Cover Basketball Court. But the first 2 points pocket courtesy of minimum dito sa ating palaruan to watch these 3 games of basketball action na nakaschedule ngayong araw. And good for 2 points by Ilaya, ating mga taga-barangay Bagong Sina. 6 minutes and 53 seconds to go. Take up for 2-pointer. Yes, sir! Good for 2 points. 33 points. Inside combination. Good for 2 points for Barangay Bagong Sina. Puntos na Pasanero. Yung nilalaman kasalukuyan ng mga tropa natin nagdadalo for team ng mga Barangay Bagong Sina player. Magiging 2 puntos na lamang po kasalukuyang kalamangan ng mga taga-Barangay Bagong Sina dito. Pero agad din pong bumawi ng perimeter shot. Good for punong Barangay Lini Rose Nicolas. Sa first personal foul against number 34. Ang una pa ng first free throw by number 35. Good for 1. Last in the final free throw. Good for 2 points. Pero hindi umakyat yung tira nitong Batang Dansil. Isa sa mga furthest driver ng Barangay Bakuan. Unconnected jumper. But Mini puts it up for 2 points. Yes, sir! Barangay Mini! Defense! Offense! Puts it up for 2 basketball count. Personal foul and penalty situation. A 15 foul. Now in the final free throw for the bonus shot. Yes, sir. Basketball count for 3 points. Corner 8 against 14. Aning na puntos ng kalamangan na ng mga taga-Barangay Bakuan dito. Pero isang magandang alley-oop combination. Jarrell, inside pass or outside pass. Shot clock down to 7. May kaya na bola. Mining puts it up for 2. Yes, sir. Bang Mining. That's the meaning of being in 10. A half dozen lead by Barangay Bakuan pa rin. Laban sa team ng Barangay Bagong Sina. Inside from the paint. Good for 2 points. 2 puntos mula kay Batang Diaz. Bakuan laban sa Barangay Bagong Sina. 3 seconds na lamang po. Yung nalalabing oras. Nasa para free throw basketball count. 3 seconds gusto para sa ating ikalawin. Tinapagdalo. Vigiano on flight. Alley-oop. Yes, sir! Good for 2 points. Mukhang naging frame. Cover by 5 points your team Barangay Bakuan. Inside combi, tiradang dalawahan, basketball count. Jersey number 9, pero magkakawalaan ng bola 14 ng Barangay Bagong Sina. Lungkagit, Israel, good for 2 points. Upo ang Barangay Bagong Sina, laban sa Barangay Bakuan sa score na 22 against 13. Israel, good for 2 points. Ang isa sa score, the second period ng ating ball game. 4 minutes and 30 seconds to go. One handed shot, basketball count. Malaperos Romeo ng Barangay Bakuan. But Puyat under attack, puts it up for 2 points. Pangalawang setting. Good for 2 points by Puyat. Yang Puyat going for Ilaya. Sending back for Puyat. A bounce pass for Villano. Almost taken. Villano puts it up. Villano knocks it in. Isang napakahusay ng pagkaka-initiate na hero nitong mga taga-Barangay Bakuan. Pero hindi pa rin nakukuha dahil muli nakuha. Dormitorio on flight. Dormitorio good for 2 points. Up by 3 points once again Barangay Bakuan. Laban sa team ng Barangay Bagong Sina. Magwawala. Good flight. Villano 2 points. Inside was na lalabi. Bakbakan to the box na nangyayari para sa ating half number 1. Ilaya for the lead. Change table na po tayo mga kabarangay. Naroon na po na 1 point. Ang mga nasa balance itong Ian Jones. Hindi na nakakuha naman ang Hosty White. Ilaya going for Puyat. 1 minute and 23, 27, 23 at 24. 1 minute and 12. The score po natin mga kaibigan. Lumalamang pa rin po. Yung Barangay Bagong Sina na ng only 3 points. Ian Jones, Tibilia, good for 2 points. Salbing oras para sa ating second quarter. Amorin, lalagari, and a jumper. Isang labas sa dalawan. Lugod by Amorin. Nandun to recover the ball. Wala pa rin mangyayari mga kaibigan. Problem sorry. But another jumper, Amorin. Tumugok ng 2 puntos. Barangay Bakuan. Villano muling babalik sa top trabaho. So palpaling inabot mula kay Dansil. A fake and jumper. Ilaya, good for 2 points. Tiradang malaya mula kay Ilaya. In that scenario, in Amorin, anang driving in. Yes, sir, by Amorin. In back to back. Ilang saglit ng mga kaibigan. Courtesy of Amorin at itong Ilaya. Dansil, huli ka rin boy. Nakabawi rin ang supalpal itong Puyat. Laban kay Dansil. On the shot up. Blue shirts once again, 14 seconds on the shot up. That big copy. There's the big boy. Good for 2 points. In the 2 points, ang mga tropang asul. This time, the shifting direction. Kakalampagin yung depensa. Yes, good for 2 points. Number 25 and number 23, Villano. And the rest of Team Barangay Bagong Sina warning for Fluffy. Ian Jones Tibilia, ang titimon ngayon. Bothering by Puyat, 1-on-1 face-to-face. A runner by number 14, runner Enoch. Iniwan si Enoch, and good for 2 points, Ian Jones, Divilla. 3 seconds to go, shot clock down to 12. In Amorin, looking into space from the strong corner. Isang Pilipit na atake, lungkot by Amorin. Laban sa rebound, Amorin, second serving. Yes, sir, by Amorin. Itinanda sa grid, ganapiga ating pong ginubuno para sa ating third period basketball, 35-33, 2 puntos. Asian Kismut Federation at napakasimple lang para po sa tropa. Namating ka pa rin bago sila bounce pass, doon sumalo at ititira. Good for 2 points. Yun lang yung trabaho, but this time, let's take a look kung babasket yung last free throw by Ian Jones Divilla. Good for 2 points. Pagpeng din yun para sa tropa na mga taga-barangay bago sila Balinjano. Good for 2 points. Kumanta agad ng parang si Gary. The dancing may tayo na bola. Sinayawan yung dalawang defender. Inside J. Bang! Good for 2 points from Ian Jones. At may paaman to number 26, Ian Jones Divilla. Substitution. Everything fight para sa ating pong third quarter clock. He would play. The dancing shot top down the side. That's you! Yes, sir! Good for 2 points. Nila Didion, mintis ang unang free throw. Last na final free throw by Didion. Good for 1 by Didion. Napakalipit ng pagkakasukit na Ilaya, pero hindi niya maisan itong dancing dahil susukitin din muli yung bola. Napaganda pa rin para kay Ilaya. 26 na segundo na lalabing oras para sa ating ikatuwing tulad na Paglagro. Travis Playa, Villano, 2 points lead. 14 seconds na lamang po na lalabing oras para dito sa ating pong third period of action. Reyes puts it out, the simple pocket. Reyes knocks it in. All in 44 points. Yung kanyang unang pasada rather, 14 this 47 last in the final quarter. But Puyat overcooks it. Rebound and put back. Amorin, siya naman ang the white church with the jersey number 05. Jagar, good for 1 point. 45 Barangay Bakuan. Babalik ka naman yung bola for tinama. Barangay Bakuan, Ian Jones. Meaning, saan ka punta? To the moon, room, hit, room, good for 2 points. Amorin, jersey number 7 at the line for a couple of shots. The first free throw, good for 1. Barangay Bakuan still on 36. Amorin, jersey number 7. Amorin, good for 1 point. Good for 2 points. Dalawa for the final quarter. Nasa kalahati tayo ng ika-4. Tatuloy yung turang ating bakbakan. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Iwan play. At nandodon talaga si Juan at Iwan jumper. Taga-barangay Bakungan. Nasikot in yung first class in the final quarter. Decreto jumper. The late comer boy. Basketball count. Hindi mali ng late basta. Shot clock down to 8. 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Dancing away from downtown. No. Decreto jumper. Get that 2 points at my oras. It's 10 for this last in the final quarter. 52 against 51. Curry Silver Decreto lamang ng 1 point. Pero bigla ng bawal yung inyong lamang ngayon. 53-52. 1 minuto at 25 saglit mga kaibigan for the final quarter. El Lungaki, Pumesto, Bamato. Dito, Lungaki. Bang, bang, bang. 3 points. 13 fouls para naman po sa team ng Barangay Bakungan. Sila po'y warning for penalty. 1 minute and 36 last in the final free throw. Yes sir, by Amorin. 1 out of 2 from 1 minute and 14. Shot clock down to 7. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Lungaki, the long three. Lugod by Lungaki. Sabas sa tinasabi dito for open division. Susunod na po yan. First free throw by Amorin. Good for 1. Last in the final free throw by Amorin. Wearing jersey number 7. Let's take a look kung ba basket. Second free throw for the lead. Lamang na po na last in the final quarter. 58-57. Rituelo jumper. Ganun lang mga kaibigan. Ginasag ng Rituelo. Lumalamang ng isang puntos. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Amorin. Breaks the right down. Nabawin mga kaibigan. Third quarter. 60-59. 1 point lead. Amorin. First free throw. Good for 1.